Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My Land Rover on the left is the one I did last year. I got this one slightly after it. I think it's 1976. I think it's 76. It used to be an old post box in Scotland. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it as a post vehicle or do it as a cab yet. I might try steam washing it off. You can see the Scotland's just there, and then post bar there. As you can see, there's a lot of bodywork issues. It's got a different seat base put in. Don't know what happened to the original. All the seat brackets have all gone rotten. Bulkhead needs welding up. Gearbox looks like it's had a new speedo cable at one point, and there's another one left dangling there. The middle of the chassis doesn't look too bad. We've got the pull stop here that the farmers put in, and the yeet to get it going. The fuel tank's absolutely filthy inside, so we run it off this petrol can here. It's got diesel in it. It's all a bit bent and battered. Might do it a little cab and just leave it just for working in, really. Already got the back bit. Yeah, we got the cab as well. Just needs painting. Bit of work as well to the rear window. The rear chassis members are one of them pattern parts, you know, the thin one with the structure put in here at the back to give it strength. I've got another one, but that one's already got a couple of holes in it, so that one needs welding up. The chassis needs welding up. I can't believe how crap these rear sections are though, you know. They make them out absolute rubbish these days. I mean, that's already, you know, somebody's probably replaced it because it's gone rotten here. But then they replaced it with this, and this isn't as good as the original. It's just thin, flimsy shite. So I might try and get a thicker one, more original spec. Needs a lot of welding. Especially to the bulkhead. Don't know what this was for. It must have been something to do with the Royal Mail. Not sure. So does need a bit of welding to the chassis. Probably just cut that there and then bend it out and then re-weld it in flat or something. I don't know. I'm not buying one. I think I might just keep it as a nice old tatty Land Rover, really. Underneath the engine bay. We need a new one of this. This one came off the other one. The rubber in the end's gone. So we need a new one of them for it. Everything looks alright in there. It needs a rocker cover gasket. Got some seals in here. The farmer seems to have put silicone around it. Glow plugs are working. shouldn't be too hard to do. So we're going to probably steam clean it, see what happens with the paintwork, see if it comes off, because I won't be leaving it this colour anyway. I don't think I want a tatty one like this. No offence to anybody that's got one. Somebody's welded up the gear lever here, so it's not too bad. All the gearbox works. Clutch is a bit dodgy. I mean, to there it's got nothing, and you've got like an inch between, or 2 inches between that and the floor, so something wrong with the clutch. So to start it, you just turn that in. I quite like that, and then you just leave it for a few seconds. I always put the clutch in just for safety, if anything, nothing else. And then so it's a good it's got a good engine in it, which is quite nice. The battery's getting a bit low. But then to stop it, you've just got the farmer's fix on the bottom. You shove it back. It's a bit of a pain in the arse, this one though, because you've got to go back to the engine bay. You shove the lever down because the spring's not on it. I always disconnect the battery just in case it's got any electrical shorts. You don't know, with the dodgy old wiring. It's got, I need a full set of seats. Need a new floor putting in. Got some aluminium, so I'll probably just put some of that in. Yeah, everything else seems to be quite original though. It's just kind of turned into a bit of a place to pile all the crap in at the moment. Need to throw it all out. Oh, there we go. So the next video will be coming shortly. We'll probably strip the body, all the body off, front wings and roof, the sides. I'll leave the I'll probably take the windscreen off. I'll leave the bulkhead in place. And then we'll just start welding up the chassis then. I might do a video of me pulling it all apart, step by step. Might be just kind of cut out all the boring bit of the bolts, and as I'm taking last few bolts out of things. We'll see how it goes. I'll definitely do a lot of update videos. So, this is how it is now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.